Hello and welcome to the show. My name is John and today's product is a rather interesting and exciting one. Not only is it my first pair of a premium pair of earbuds, but it's also one of the products that you don't find that often. I'm talking about the Porsche Design and KEF Motion One earbuds, and well, it's gonna be an interesting one, so stay tuned. Bear in mind, these are not cheap, and I did find them in a really good offer. They had a really good sale, but the fact that they're not cheap and you do pay a premium price for them really shows by the time you buy them, because the product screams quality as soon as you open the box. The first thing you see once you take them out of the box is another box, which is all black, matte black for that matter, has a magnetic clasp and has two sleek and elegant logos of the Porsche Design brand as well as the KEF brand. As soon as you open that, you see the case itself. I'm gonna be expanding on the case a bit later because it has a whole story on its own, but once you lift that up and you see the rest of the accessories included in the box, every OCD maniac is going to appreciate that. Everything is placed at the right position, everything is just as expected, overall exactly what you would want. As good as the sound quality though of this pair of earbuds is, it's not the same case for the accessories that come in the box. That's because there is a very small amount of accessories coming in the box for that premium price. As mentioned, you get a case, which is a really good one, mind you. It's a hard shell case, a bit big for a pair of earbuds, but still, you know that once you put the earbuds in there, they're not gonna go anywhere and they're also not gonna be destroyed if they fall down. It also has a Porsche Design and KEF logo on the case. I find that to be a nice little detail. And for some odd reason, there's another case inside the case, a smaller one like a pouch case, probably for the included inline cable if you don't want to use them wireless. And last but not the least, you get the smallest cable in the world to charge the Bluetooth earbuds. Another thing I want to steer your attention to is the lack of a plethora of ear tips, and that's because if you're paying so much for a pair of earbuds, you do want to have the perfect fit to get the most out of the sound quality. And they only come with three options: small, medium and large ear tips, which means that if they don't fit you, well then you're out of luck. So definitely, if I were you, would try the headphones on, or at least make sure that I have a return opportunity in case they don't fit you, because it's a shame to have such a good pair of earbuds and not be able to make the most out of it simply because it doesn't fit on your ear very well. Design wise, it's a love it or hate it thing. That's because it has a neckband design, which is something that not many people like. I personally find it really nice. It has this nice rubbery material around it, which makes it feel very nice and premium, and it's also really sleek for my opinion. On either side of the neckband you do have the Porsche Design and KEF logo respectively, everything very subtle, not really in your face, but if you're looking for it you will definitely know it's there. Moving on to the earbuds themselves, they have the PD Porsche Design meaning logo right in the middle of them, and they do feel a bit big once you put them first on your ears, but that's something you probably, just like me, get used to. And they also clasp together in the middle if you don't wanna, have them dangling around on your neck, and you can just have them in the middle, just snap together in case you don't want to lose them or anything like that. Overall though, if you are a fan of the neckband design, then this will definitely be your taste and you will definitely like the design of it, just like I do. But let's move on to the meat and potatoes of this video, and this is the sound quality, and because this is the reason you probably want to buy these. Now the sound quality will not disappoint you by any means. It's incredibly good, it's balanced, it has a great amount of bass, even though I am a bass heavy person so I would prefer some more bass. It has good highs and mids which are crystal clear even at the max volume, which is really loud mind you. And overall I have nothing bad to say about it, everything is balanced and well engineered by KEF. But it's time to reach a conclusion here because I want to keep this video short and simple. Are they worth the heavy price tag that you got on them? Well, it depends. It is made by two companies which are rather premium, KEF and Porsche Design, which are also known not to make really cheap products. And at the same time though, it is really expensive. I mean, 200 bucks for a pair of earbuds is not, a little amount of money. But I would say that as long as you find them at a good offer, then they're definitely worth it. And also, if you have understood the fact that you're paying some premium brands for a premium product, then yes, it's definitely worth the money, because you will definitely not be disappointed. But either ways, that's about gonna do it for me in this video. If you like it, you might want to consider clicking the subscribe button and also the like button to support me on this channel. I also upload twice a week pretty interesting tech videos, so you do want to probably check out some previous ones as well. But either ways guys, my name has been John and I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.